About 10 years ago, it was probably September, I noticed a whole ring of mushrooms growing. Now, I did not notice the grass being this tall because I had been mowing throughout the season, but the mushrooms were about this tall. And I learned there's different types of mushrooms that generally can be grouped into the term fairy ring. And the reason you need to know it is some of them might be edible, but there's quite a few that you can get seriously sick or they might even be deadly. So whenever you're dealing with fairy ring mushrooms, you need to know what you're doing. And it got the name ring because a lot of times they're in the shape of a ring or arc, where you see here more of an arc or a portion of a ring. They're native to Europe, they're native to North America, and when I did a little reading, sort of the inside of the ring, this is a mushroom, and it produces a toxic substance that prevents a lot of growth inside the ring. But it also produces material that allows the outer part of the ring to grow. And it has a nice deep green color that you see here. Now, the only people that probably don't like fairy rings are golf courses and putting greens because they come back year after year after year. But there are fungicides, you have to specifically ask, that can be used to reduce or control the growth of fairy ring mushrooms that might affect a putting green or a golf course in different ways. I kind of like it. I think it's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. And you can think about the fairies dancing right around your fairy ring. It also grows in woodlands. Now, you're probably not going to see the nice green, dark color because when you're in the woods, you might not have any grass. But if you like to hike in the Blue Ridge Parkway, Shenandoah National Forest, you will see rings of mushrooms in some of those areas. I'm Mark Viette. Join me next time in the garden.
Email your garden questions to viette@viette.com.